Hello everyone, welcome back to another how-to. In this how-to we'll be learning how to solve a Skewb. So the first step is to get a full white side. So first we need to find the white side and then look for these corners. So see this one, see how it's not facing up? You should just be able to go like that and move it in. Now we want to look for another white corner that has also got red on it. So see that one's right here, but if we move that, see how that doesn't work? So what we want to do is we want to flip it upside down, then we want to move this away from where it needs to go, bring this up, and then just move that back. So now you've got those two corners. Now this one has got white and blue, this has got blue, so you should just be able to move that up. Now with this last corner it's here, so when you bring it down, it's facing down. So that means you just bring it again over here. And then what you do is you bring this away from where it needs to go, like that. Bring this up, and then just replace that. So now we've got a full white side. So now we want to get a full yellow side. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to do these 4 moves. So if you've got 2 corners facing up and 2 corners facing out, then you do this. So you do right down, right up, left up. And now you should have these 2 corners facing outwards and these 2 corners facing that way. And then now with these facing that way, you do that again. Right down, right up, left up. And now you should have these 4 corners facing up. Now what you want to do is you want to find the yellow centerpiece. So if it's already at the top, skip this step, but you want to find it. So here it is, and you hold it at the back. Now what you do is you do that again. So right down, right up, left up, and then turn the cube around 180 degrees. And then do that again, right down, right up, left up. And now you should have a full yellow side. The next step is to look if you've got any full sides. So I've got one here. And then what you want to do is you want to hold that at the bottom, and then you want the opposite colours in front of you. So see how this is blue and orange. So if you get a normal 3x3, see how blue and orange are next to each other? So you want to get it so that it's like this, blue, so it's like orange and red. See, orange and red, they're opposite sides. So with the full side down the bottom and that there, you do that again. Right down, right up, left up, turn it 180 degrees, right down, right up, left up, and your cube should be solved. Okay, so if you don't have a full side, then you should have something that looks like this. So hold it so that you've got the white side and the yellow side facing outwards, and do this. Right down, right up, left up, turn it 180 degrees, right down, right up, left up, and now you should have a full side. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, comment down below what your fastest time is, and thanks for watching.